In this MMP1 tutorial, I'm going to show you the Talkback system. The Talkback system is quite flexible, allowing you to route multiple Talkback mics to multiple locations, all in different configurations. So let's take a look. I've created a configuration that has some inputs here, multiple monitor sources, 2 Q channels, a couple of speaker channels, and there are also 2 studio outs in this configuration. So to get to the Talkback system, we go to Settings, and then here underneath Scene, we have the Talkback destination page. And this is where we can route the Talkback microphones to different destinations. So let's take a look. The setup wizard created 2 Talkback destinations, number 1 here and number 2 here. Now, if you'll notice, Talkback destination number 1 has the first Talkback mic selected, and it has Q1 selected. So that would route the first Talkback microphone to the Q1 output. Then if we go to the second Talkback destination, it takes the same Talkback microphone, but routes it to Q2. So now let's see how creative we can get with this. I'm going to go to destination number 3, and I'm going to take 2 microphones. Let's say we have a producer Talkback microphone in the rear of the studio and then an engineer Talkback microphone, and I'm going to route them to both Qs. Then I can continue on. Go to Talkback destination number 4, select just the producer's Talkback, and route it just to Q2. Maybe the producer wants to talk to one person in the studio and not the other, so we can make some very, very discrete and specific Talkback routings depending on the application. If I go on to the 5th Talkback destination, we can take both microphones and route them everywhere, to the studio speakers and to the Qs. But let's say you're in a live broadcast situation and you need communications with the director in the video truck. Maybe you want to send the engineer's microphone out an auxiliary output that's routed over a Dante network to a video truck somewhere else so that you may communicate things to the director. Really having nothing to do with the performers or anything. This is sort of an auxiliary Talkback system that can be utilized in other situations. So once you've created all these Talkback destinations, then you can create user-defined buttons that you can use on the main page to activate those different destinations. Let's take a look. If I go back to the main page, I have the first 2 Talkback destinations set up here. And as you can see, over here, you can see where the Talkback is being routed. But now if I go to the sub page, here are all the Talkback destination buttons. So I can start doing the different Talkback routings. Here is the 3rd Talkback destination. Here's the 4th one, slightly different. Here's the 5th one where all the microphones are going to all the destinations. And here's the 6th one, which has the discrete channel that we're routing to the video director in a broadcast situation. So with up to 8 Talkback destinations, up to 4 Talkback microphones, only 2 can be used at a time, but there are up to 4 possible microphones. You can see how you can create a multitude of Talkback routings, giving you a very flexible system for communication, whether you're in a recording studio or maybe a live broadcast situation, or who knows. The MMP1 was designed to be very flexible in this regard. So we'll see you in the next tutorial.